Okay. All right. Are we rolling?
No, you want to
Can we just do a quick thing? Put this cup down. Let's put it right. All right. You ready? You ready? Rolling both cameras. Look who I found. This is the miracle of Max, standing right over here. I've seen him in video. I've seen him in still, but in 3D. 3D.
Yeah, like
He's much more handsome than Instagram. Look at this guy. This is Baugasm.
Hello everybody.
How you doing?
See you in person. It's good. It's been a really awesome Max, and this is my first Max. Probably it's not yours, but it's been nice going around, meeting all these people, and meeting you in person. It's a really nice experience, and being here. Yeah.
Did Adobe bring you out here?
Yes, they did. They did. I'm doing this project with Adobe. It's for Adobe Remix. It's going to be published on the October 30th, I think, or maybe next week. I'm not sure about the date. But yeah, I'm doing the Adobe Remix this year and using some of the Adobe technology. So they wanted me to come here and show the process and behind the scenes of the.
Tell us a little bit what Adobe Remix is.
So Adobe Remix is like every year they choose a designer or an artist to come up and make something with Adobe logo, and the brief was do whatever you want, just go creative, your own style. And I was like, okay, but what's the fun on that? I want to challenge myself, do something that I haven't done until now. So yeah, it's going to be a static image, but also it's going to be a video. Yeah, that's basically Adobe Remix. It's like just making something cool with Adobe logo and just playing around with it.
So if I'm watching this, I'm a designer and artist. How do you get invited to be part of the Adobe Remix thing?
Well, I don't know. It's
you know.
No, I don't know.
You have to be amazing. You have to be amazing.
You have to be consistent and just be humble and do whatever you're passionate about. I think that's what brings me all these opportunities and working with clients and meeting you and meeting so many creatives is just, if you're passionate about doing what you do, and that's what I am and that's what I do, is just, play around, do whatever makes me happy, and I think good things are going to come after that. So yeah, I think that's really important.
You have any final thoughts to share with people, your overall experience at Adobe Max?
Well, it's like something that everybody should try and come and meet, because everybody's here. You can meet a lot of also like the companies and all the software that is powered what we do every day, and sort of seeing behind the scenes, meeting the people, what new technology is coming, and also maybe helping companies understand better what us creatives want to have more in the future, and that's pretty cool. And I think I will leave you with that thought, because it's like everybody who can make their boss pay for your ticket, maybe, if you can't afford it, and it's worth it coming and meeting everybody here and meeting cool people like Chris.
That's super cool. So here's what we're going to do. In 2019, you're going to see both of us here, and we're both going to exhibit. We're going to be both selling our wares. That's the goal, okay? I'll see you here. Yeah. We'll be booth buddies or something like that, all right? Let's do it. That's it. It's real. All right, thanks so much for jumping on the show, man.
Yeah.